This video is on adding air pressure. Come to the back cabinet, pump out, come close to the door, front door here, and unwind the electrical cord. I'm going to pause it. Underneath the top step, you have the batteries. And I have to put the phone down again so I can use an extra hand. So you want to connect up the battery terminals. This is from the pump. Just connect it anywhere you can. Same with this one, negative, black to black, positive, red to red. You can leave, put the cover down. Don't step on it if you can help it. Bring this around. We're going to go to the driver's side front tire. Unwind. That way, we'll go the other way. Take off that TPMS sensor. So there's no stones or anything in the end of the valve. And then this screws on. Do it quickly so not too much air comes and goes. Now, don't lose this little sensor. Come over to here and we see that we have about 67 pounds. This is exactly where it needs to be in order to turn air on. Turn on this little switch here. And turn it off, it drops back down a little bit. So I suggest you probably put, if you want to get it to 67, when you're pumping this up, go to about 70, 71, and then when you turn it off and take the valve off, you'll be about 67. This will reach all the tires.